Hey, we back with another banger. Y'all already know what time it is when we get like this. I'm DecemberDeMarco. For y'all that's new to the channel, appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. Make sure you hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and also for the community, just to grow the crypto community in general. Y'all know we got to get into this book of the day. Shout out to my man's Russell Brunson, man. He went crazy. Traffic Secrets. If y'all ain't seen this, check this out, man. You know, for y'all that don't know, I'm a Fortune 500 marketer. I specialize in, different marketing areas, but I'm just basically bringing my knowledge from the corporate marketing area over here to the stock markets and crypto markets, and it's working out nicely for us. So as y'all can see right here, we have a private Facebook community with 2,000 members in it right now. As you can see, we got 475 member requests in the waiting room right now. I'm trying to get to those. I'll be adding 100 people each day. But if you want to know how to skip that line and get straight into the group, share this video, tag me, and also tag Pink Panda on Twitter. That's what you got to do. So tag me and tag Pink Panda on Twitter. I'll show you all that. But I'm telling you, this group is fire, man. And I'll let the cat out the bag. I spoke with the founder of this company yesterday. We spoke on the phone for about 20 minutes. I just asked him a few questions about it. Just tried to dig in a little bit to see basically, was this a legit project? Do we see a future in this project? Where this project will be going? And I can say, honestly, I like the answers, y'all. I like the answers a lot. It made me even want to, jump in again. Now, so they sent me, they reached out to me via email, let me know they were interested in having me review this. So I checked it out. I'm like, I get probably 4 or 5 different cryptocurrencies that reach out to me a day. So I'm like, okay, which one is this now? Some of them, the majority of them I don't even respond back to, but this one stood out. They had everything, together. I seen their branding kind of in the email. They had logos and things like that in place. I'm like, okay, let me look into it. So I pulled it up, and I'll just say at the least it was interesting. So let's go to pinkpanda.finance. So this is the website here. Y'all know how I like to do. We like to break these down all the way when we get into them. I did the poll on the channel and asked y'all, did y'all prefer me to research these first and then make the video, or do y'all like when I walk y'all through them and do the breakdown? And y'all, the majority said y'all like when I do the walkthrough breakdown. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's see. We got Pink Panda, the future of finance. Pink Panda is a winning utility token powering the development of next-gen crypto finance tools, 5x leverage, DEX for BSC. Pink Panda cares deeply about community, and giving back a portion of Pink Panda tokens has been set aside for charity. Okay, so off the bat with this website, it stands out because it's like, it's clean and it has clean branding to it. We can see the little panda guy right here, and it says the future of finance. So right away, in my mind, it's saying like, this is kind of where it's at now. This is what it'll grow to. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. That was kind of slick if that's what they meant to do. It's just clean, really. I can see already, some meme characteristics behind it. Remember, I told y'all right now we are in, altcoin season, and a lot of the driving force behind that are these meme characteristics. So right away, when I look for a new token, I like to see, does it have those characteristics that can stand out and, be something that a lot of people or the community will enjoy creating different content behind. Because remember, I told y'all the communities can make or break these new ones. So let's check this out. We'll pull up the chart. Now, y'all know I already had to go through this part. I checked out the chart. I'm in a Telegram group. Hey, shout out to everybody in the Telegram, man. Make sure y'all share this video, man. Get this video out for real. But so I'll be honest, y'all. After I got the email, I came to the page. I looked into it. I had to go get me some. I ain't gonna lie. No cap. No cap. Y'all know I keep it 100% real with y'all over here. So now I'm going to tell y'all my reason why in a little bit. But I also shared this with a couple riskier investors that I know, that's kind of closer on the inner circle with me. And, I told them about it, and they got in too yesterday. And the majority of them that got in right away when I told them about it, they almost 100x. We had a couple people up like 80%. It was crazy. Like, they went to sleep and woke up the next morning, up like that. We made some nice little bags. So right there, that was a a nice, like a little convincing point, like, okay, this might be a solid one. So that's why I felt more comfortable making this video, sharing it with y'all. Because with these new cryptos, it's the wild, wild west. We can, this it's pump and dumps, rug pulls left and right. So I try to be cautious with something that's, and for y'all that don't know, this is only 8 days old. So this is a baby right now. So I try to be cautious with the ones that are that new, because, if I recommend it to, we almost at 6,000 subscribers right now. By the time most of y'all see this, we'll be at 6,000 subscribers. So shout out to y'all, man. Y'all going hard. But, I want to, make sure I'm making some solid recommendations. But I can say I feel this one is a little solid. So what we're building: non-custodial, fully on-chain, mobile, first decentralized exchange, supporting up to 5x leverage. Now, when I seen that, y'all, that was like my ears perked, like, huh? 5x leverage? Because honestly, me and one of my guys were talking about this. My guy specializes in building. He works on blockchains and things like that. But we were talking about once, because for y'all that don't know, I trade. I'm a day trader. I basically normally trade options, so that's my specialty. But right now, we also trade crypto, but because crypto is so hot, I came over, and been day trading this as well. But we talked about how, Robinhood basically has the game on lock, but if there would to be a new crypto that would rise and be able to kind of create what Robinhood had, they would, kind of take over the game. And this is and we talked about this months ago. So this was kind of the first thing that kind of, resembled something that we were talking about. But, so that, my ears perked up a little bit. So community, and for y'all that don't know what this means, so 5x leverage is basically being able to borrow money based on the amount of money that you have. So let's just say, for instance, you have $200. You would be able to basically borrow 5x that, so $1,000 basically. Shout out to everybody subscribing to the channel, and also sending those, just reaching out. I appreciate y'all. But so if you had $200, they would basically borrow you $1,000 to be able to trade with. Which, if for y'all that don't understand, that can be a game changer. It can be very, very a risky thing to do if you don't know what you're doing, or if you get into a bad trade, or you're chasing, or you FOMO or something like that, and you can get wrecked. So I recommend, if you're not a experienced trader, definitely don't dabble with leverage starting off. Understand what leverage is. But for those of you that know what y'all doing, this is a game changer. I'm finna come over here and make so much money off this. Y'all don't even know. So y'all gonna have to, I can't even talk too much about it right now, but this is gonna be crazy. But something else I like, they got the community voting built in, that basically the DAO. I don't know if theirs is based off of a DAO, but that's basically that decentralized autonomous organization capabilities to be able to have the community vote on the direction that they want to see the contract continue to move in. So just in case, like, there's certain things that pop up, like, disagreements with things possibly, or just certain differences in directions that certain team players or investors might want to go, that community voting feature will allow people to be able to vote and just, be on one consensus. So I like that. Safu tools to make rug pulling a thing of the past. So we'll get into that. I like that, what they got with that. Large portion of all our profits will go to charity. That's dope. They said a large portion, not just, we're going to, knock a crumb off the loaf, but a large portion. So y'all know this is one of my favorite words right now, tokenomics. Drop in the comment section right now, hashtag tokenomics with your t-shirt size. If you want one of these t-shirts, I'll be showing y'all where y'all can cop some. Actually, the link to the merch shop will be in the first comment. It'll be pinned to the comment section, so y'all can check that out. But we got the tokenomics t-shirts coming. So token supply, 1 quadrillion tokens. Now, normally when I'm reviewing these new cryptos, for y'all that don't know, I review a ton of new crypto. Just check out my channel if you don't believe me. It's crazy. It's plenty dope content too, especially for beginners and intermediate level traders, and also expert level traders, because I bring a different perspective into the market as far as my marketing background. But so normally I've seen from a trillion tokens, the standard kind of, all the way up to 100 quadrillion tokens. Now, I don't like when I start seeing that 100 quadrillion. The highest number I really like to see is at about 1 quadrillion. That's like kind of where the max I like to see it go to. But you can see already they burned 50%. 10% transaction tax. They have a 5% locked into liquidity pool, 5% airdrop to token holders, 5% to a developer wallet, 5% to charity and marketing wallet, 20% to token presale, and 20% token initial liquidity. So they're being, transparent, showing you what's up with this. I also want to get into this white paper with y'all. I already went through this white paper. I didn't get a chance to go through the audit yet because I wanted to just save something that was kind of fresh that I didn't see yet for this review. But let's see. So why Pink Panda? Add Pink Pandas to your feed to be your daily dose of positivity. Pink Pandas are the ultimate community positive thinkers, future doers, and change makers. We all want to make the world a better place. We're a global community of driven individuals striving to make the world a better place. We are a community of discussion and encouragement, collaboration, and connection. I like that. We empower each other to imagine and create new realities. We empower each other to do that. That's, y'all got to pay attention to these. Remember, I try to teach y'all to connect the dots. Y'all better pay attention to those little words. So Pink Panda cares. At Pink Panda, we care about giving back to the community and the broader world. We aspire to build a company that takes into account more than just shareholder profit. In line with this, we have our first donation of $1,000 to American Cancer Society. This is the first of many and an issue that has impacted our founder, Adam Carlton's life significantly after he lost his mother and best friend to cancer. In the future, we will be building the functionality to allow Pink Panda holders to have a vote in which causes we support. In the meantime, enjoy this video of Adam making the first donation. Next time, we will give him a cup of coffee before he donates. So, to be honest, this is a mission that I care about. For y'all that don't know, my mother has, faced similar things, So, this is one that, was like, okay, I can genuinely get behind this cause. So for y'all that don't know, a lot of new companies right now, or big companies, they have to have something that's called a CSR, that we call in marketing. It's a corporate social responsibility. So you can't just be a new company or even an old company anymore, just making all these millions and billions of dollars and not improving the areas that you're a part of, or just, giving back in some form, just basically improving the communities that, are providing to you, or basically keeping your business afloat. So any crypto you look at right now, that's why you see all of them have some type of charitable mission attached to it. And that's not by mistake. That's a marketing thing, but it's a true, now it's not a gimmick, but it's something that it makes the people, maybe that company's consumers or customers, it makes them just feel better about spending their money with that company, because they know if that company is doing good in the world, and you're spending a lot of money with them, it just makes you feel a little bit better about where your money is going to. So that's basically that. I just try to give y'all a little bit of different perspective. So let's check this out. So this is a video of him donating to the American Cancer Society $1,000. So this was honestly the first time I've ever seen them donating live on a video.
We are going to give our first donation tonight. So a little bit of technical difficulties and got a little distracted by...
I ain't gonna lie, he sounded like he just got off a 12-hour drive.
Donation here to cancer.org, and our donation, excuse my clicks, are going to come out of my MetaMask wallet here. This is our Panda.finance charity wallet. You'll see we've got 0.3927 ETH. So we're gonna go ahead and put in 0.392. We're gonna leave that 7 in there for a little bit of gas. And we're gonna donate anonymously tonight. We're gonna eventually start donating publicly, but we want to make sure that we have everything just laid out correctly with the organizations we're working with, and making sure that everything is handled from the regulatory perspective around charitable contribution.
I just want to pause this real quick to make a note and say something. Y'all know why he sound tired? He was working. He getting it in, y'all. This is gonna be a big project. We gonna get further into it, but I'm gonna show y'all why though. But I can just imagine, what's going on behind the scenes right now to get all this going. This is a big deal to be able to provide, leverage on crypto trading, and make it user friendly, make it, that's a big deal, y'all. That's a very big deal. Once we get into this white paper, y'all will see why a little bit more. But let me just speed this part up. It's just basically him proving that he's actually sending the money there.
Gas is actually not that. Nothing weird came up in my. See what this wallet tells her.
So if y'all want to come back, y'all can check this out. But I watched this video. He definitely sent the money. So now here is the roadmap. This is my favorite part of all the new tokens. So I just like to, I honestly, in my spare time, just look at random tokens and look at the roadmaps because, it's interesting to see where, we're headed in this space. And like I told y'all, marketers, we like to position ourselves in, in a good position. Hey, shout out to Don Jones for reaching out. He said, "What's up with the class? How do I get in? And what's the prices?" I'll email you back after I'm done with this video. Don, appreciate you, man. Jump in the comment section, Don, if you see this video. But so we got our strategy and project plan roadmap. So May 2021 launch. Pink Panda launch, first donation, influencer marketing, community AMA. For y'all that don't know, they'll be having an AMA today. That's why I had to get on this. I'll be dropping this ASAP, right? As soon as I'm done with this, I'll be dropping this. This is going to be fire, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this one going to go up. So, now remember, this is not financial advice. Do not come back crying at me talking about, hey, bro, you said we was getting Lambos tomorrow. That's not how it goes. You know what I'm saying? So be patient. Do your own due diligence. Do your own research. If you believe in the mission of the company, you believe in the people behind it, then be prepared to, sit it out. Always remember to use proper risk management. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose, and you'll be okay. Don't put your rent money. Don't put your light money. Don't put, just if it's a small amount, just that's what you got to afford. You know what I'm saying? Just something that if it disappeared the next day, you wouldn't sweat it. You know what I'm saying? Because we could be seeing 60 to 80% swings. We in crypto right now. This isn't stocks. If you're looking for something that's more safe, then ETFs would be a good recommendation. Probably not financial advice, but it's a lot safer. So just keep that in mind. So I like that they're having community contests. I like that they're already up on the AMAs. They're not even a week. They just hit 1 week, so already donating. And so this is basically accurate so far. I like to see these in marketing. We have with marketing goals. With these types of goals, we like to make them 3 things: specific, measurable, and realistic. So with this, we can actually measure this because, he has a date there. So the team actually put, May 2021. A lot of these new cryptos, they say phase 1, phase 2. We don't get anything to base that off of, like, okay, how long will phase 1 last? So I like this because we can basically just hold them accountable. June 2021. So Pink Panda app launch. For y'all that don't know, they done dropped the app. I downloaded it already. I just wanted to check it out and just get a little look at it. This is going to be crazy. Tell me how many cryptos right now. Jump in the comment section. The first person to let me know, if you got to have Cash App, the first person to let me know, I'll Cash App you $5. What other crypto token that's people using, what other new crypto token that got the potential that this one has are people using that is trading on leverage that has that opportunity? I don't know none. I ain't heard none yet. And if y'all know some, then tap in with me. Let me know. But so this is the app. It's pretty clean. It's only 1 page. It's nothing major right now. Let me show y'all. Let me get. So it's a pretty clean app. It's nothing major right now, but I like that, already they're showing this, user friendly, nothing too confusing. You can clearly see the current price. I like the font. I like that they understand brand continuity. Everywhere we look, whether it's from the app, whether it's from the website. I already looked in a couple other places as well, but they have their same brand colors throughout everything. A lot of these different crypto companies are all over the place, and it just kind of shows, like, where are y'all backgrounds at? So that's just something. that I like to look at as a marketer. So CoinGecko listing, and y'all know when we break these down, we break them down. So you know what I'm saying, because our money is going in here. If your money, I don't understand. You know, some of y'all be asking. A couple people complain for shorter videos. Like, if you putting your money somewhere, wouldn't you want as much information about it as possible? That don't make sense to me. That's backwards. You know, I read somewhere that people make, you know, they put more decision making into what they're gonna eat for lunch, you know, than they do into their investment choices. So don't be one of those people. But so next we got Coin Market Cap listing. That's gonna be fire. Already we on CoinGecko, but and I'm saying we because I'm in. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm in there. So Coin Market Cap listing, that's coming next. You already know what's going. You already know what happened when stuff get listed on there. So the second donation comes after that. June, we in June right now. Website improvements are coming. Community merch. Okay, so they gonna drop some merch too. Hey, Pink Panda, tap in with me, man. Send me some merch. Let me know. Can I get some merch or what? But hey, y'all, make sure y'all tag them in this video and ask. If somebody's watching this, I want at least one person to say that. Can he get some merch? But major influencer partnerships, exchange listings. Okay. So we got some major partnerships coming up. So buy the rumor. You know what I'm saying? Usually sell the news. That's what we say in stocks. But honestly, I'm going to be in this one. So a couple of the people that bought in, when I told them about it yesterday, they asked me, how did I feel about it? Would I be in it? And I asked them, how did they feel about it? They all told me, you know, they felt it was kind of solid. You know, and these are some, you know, people who do their research. So, you know, I told them I'll still be holding because I feel it's very early. Think about what happened with Shiba Inu. For y'all that are in the SHIB army, y'all know we cover that. We got the #1 most in-depth channel with Shiba Inu videos. We'll also be breaking off into some other things like NFTs and things like that. But, man, hey, we gotta make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on them notifications, man. It's finna get crazy, real crazy. But I'm a little all over the place, so y'all gotta excuse me. But these partnerships are gonna be big, so you want to basically get in. Remember, it's not financial advice, but you want to get in before these run-ups. You want to get in before the more awareness comes, because you'll get in at a lower price. It may seem a little higher now if you look at the charts, but you know, if you find the dip, that'll be a good position to enter on. So July we got app version 2. Decentralized exchange beta launch, community charity voting, BSC token tracking, even more donations, major exchange listings. So some more coming in July. We got a lot of catalysts coming up, y'all, back to back. These are called catalysts. These are things that could potentially move the price, which they will move the price because it's so young. Oh, that's what I wanted to say too. That was one thing, point I wanted to make with Shiba Inu. There was a guy who put $17 He put $17 in Shiba Inu back in October 2020. About 5 months later, that $17 was 6.5 million. Y'all better stop playing with this crypto market and thinking there ain't no real money over here, man. Hey, remember to do your own due diligence, you know, really understand what you're investing in. But if you do the research and you believe in it, then have faith. Stay down for the come up, man. So 3.0 is coming. So this app sounds like it's gonna be crazy. I'm really excited. They sound already like they basically doing what Shiba Inu is already trying to do. You know, with the shibaswap already. It sound like they about to roll that out next month. The way they moving right now, the way it's the roadmap sounding. So community YouTube contest. I wonder what that'll be. So probably I don't know. But if it's a community, now that I think about it, community YouTube contest, y'all need to tap in with me for this. Whatever this is, let me know about this. Hey, Adam, let me know what's up with this. Or who is that? No, that's who hit me? I think it was Adam and Andy. Shout out to the team though. Whoever that was that sent me that first email for reaching out, I appreciate y'all, man. But yeah, that was Andy. Shout out to Andy for reaching out. But let's see where we at. Okay. App version 3. So decentralized exchange alpha launch. I'm curious. Okay. So 2 to 4. Oh, okay. So this one is gonna start getting real interesting, y'all, in Q4. And we almost there. So cross-chain exploration. They finna get crazy, y'all. They ain't playing. Privacy payment rail. and even more donations. Global visibility media campaign. Hey, if y'all really need help scaling out this global media campaign, if y'all don't know, Fortune 500 marketer, let me know. But this is the founder here. So this was something that was very surprising to me. Y'all know I mention this every review that I do. Go back through the channel, just type in crypto review. You're going to see all my crypto reviews. Every time the founder is not showing, I always mention that. Even in this, he's proudly showing. You know what I'm saying? This is about the proudest founder picture I ever seen. Normally, if they do show the founders, if they dox, it might be the little bubble, where you get the little profile picture at the most. But you know what I'm saying? You see he got the scotch in the back, the whiskey. You know what I'm saying? He chilling. You know what I'm saying? Life good. But let's break this down real quick. Meet the founder, Adam Carlton. I'm Adam, the proudly doxed founder of PinkPanda.finance. I've been on the cutting edge of tech and business for over 20 years in a variety of consulting, executive, and entrepreneurial roles. I see two opportunities here with massive potential: a powerful margin-enabled DEX on BSC and harnessing community coins for charitable causes. With Pink Panda, we're killing two birds with one stone. I think most of us have been touched by cancer at some point in our lives. For myself, losing my best friend when he was 30 had a profound effect on my life. And then, more recently, my mother passed from pancreatic cancer in 2019. I swore to myself 2 years ago that I would take my life experiences in business and technology and never again devote myself to something that wasn't harnessing the power of community, charity, and positivity. So yeah, this the cause definitely connects deeply with me. You know what I'm saying? So already this is and it will with a lot of people. So that's something y'all got to think of from a marketing perspective too. Like he said, it's basically affected everybody. Everybody has a family member that was affected by it. So I rounded up some of the best crypto developers and marketers in the world. You know what I'm saying? And through many sleepless nights, we put together the concept of PinkPanda.finance. We wanted a truly revolutionary coin that not only rewards its adopters, but brings together the best cryptocurrency. Its unruggable yield generating brings cutting edge trading concepts pioneered in the chains and other chains to BSC, and brings hold on. Let me run this back. We wanted a truly revolutionary coin that not only rewards its adopters, but brings together the best of cryptocurrency. It is unruggable, yield generating, brings cutting edge trading concepts pioneered in other chains to BSC, and brings rewards to a highly participatory community that chooses to engage in something positive. So that's pretty dope. So we had to open up the LinkedIn real quick. We couldn't pull past that. So some frequently asked questions. What is Pink Panda? Pink Panda is a revolutionary new currency on the Binance Smart Chain. Think of Pink Panda as a fair universal currency for the people. This is a real project. He said the key word, this is a real project that will constantly be evolving. And that begins with linking impact directly to economic growth and propelling the DeFi ecosystem to a new level. Join the revolution. Come on, y'all. Y'all better stop playing, man. Y'all better learn how to connect the dots and read between the lines of what's really going on. But I didn't walk y'all all the way through this like I did yet. So we already seen the tokenomics, what organizations. So y'all could come through all this if y'all want. I want to suggest a charity. So I like that they, accept feedback from the community. I even gave them on the phone. So when I had one of my friends that I recommended it to that invested in it, for whatever reason, he just said he had a hard time finding the contract address because there was a couple of them out there. Y'all got to be careful. Please do not send your money to one of these fake Pink Panda wallet addresses. Double check that you are clicking on the correct wallet address, and I'll show y'all how to make sure that. Also, I'll put the wallet address in the description section of this video, so to make sure y'all not sending this to the wrong one, because I believe I've seen like 3 or 4 at least fake Pink Panda addresses. So y'all can come back through this part, check it out. See, so right here, I liked this a lot. The community was deep. Now, in marketing, we like to see those community badges or those social media badges. Those should be above the first half of the page. You shouldn't have to scroll down to get to those, because if we would have seen that up here right away, that would have just added a lot more value to this. And it's all about perceived value when you first capturing when it comes to first capturing someone's attention. So that would have been good to probably just adjust that. But I liked the fact too that he was open to take some just some feedback on potentially adding the wallet address to the website to make it easier, just putting it somewhere, not too big, just somewhere out the way where people can just confirm it, because that's probably a couple bucks that's going to the wrong place. Okay, so we got to open up all these. So we got the swap, we got the white paper, and that's also something Adam told me about was basically like it opens straight. Shout out to everybody reaching out to me, man. We officially hit over 150 book sales, man. Shout out to y'all. Y'all going crazy. If y'all want to get my book, the link to that is in the description section. Check that out. But so we got to get into each one of these. Let's check out the chart first. So they got the YouTube. That's something I like to see. I like to see the YouTube. I like when I see an Instagram. I don't see the Instagram here, but I could have swear I believe they do have an Instagram. Or am I just blind right now? Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, Medium, Twitch. Okay, so no, they don't got it right here. But I believe they do have an Instagram, though. So that's that. That's the website, y'all. We got to break that down. Chart. So let's take a look at this chart real quick. Also, something new that I just seen added that wasn't there when I first looked was the wall of memes. But I looked at it since then, which is pretty dope, if you ask me. Oh, yeah, come on. I'm waiting on this dip. Hey, this dip about to get ate up. I'm going to let y'all know right now. I'm finna, this dip, I'm waiting for a nice support. Because think about it. This token is only 8 days old, y'all. It might seem like it's up, and really this chart, this what it's doing right now. This is a day trader's dream right here. We would tear this up right now, but with the tokenomics built into it, it kind of it takes away that incentive to want to day trade it or try to do those quick scalps that day traders like to take. But this is a beautiful chart right here. If y'all ask me, if y'all don't understand chart reading, check out my Patreon in the description section. I got some videos on technical analysis and just some more exclusive videos, or you can become a member to the channel and I'll be adding some exclusive videos for members only on the channel. Just some exclusive bonus content, because we got a lot of free 99 information out here for y'all. Almost like a couple hundred videos or something like that. So right now, you see what's happening with the chart. We started off here in this, I'll just say 7 range, had a nice spike up, hit that first time all-time high. Of course, I tell y'all, every time there's a new all-time high, there will automatically be a sell-off, because people that were in previously will want to take profits. So we got the correction here. And remember, this green one is basically confidence in the market. This is buyers stepping in confidently to buy it up, or what we call an impulse. The red is basically sellers selling it off. It's a correction. So here we found some support. This is a support area where the price, basically where the buyers won't let the market won't let the price fall behind or lower than, because they feel it's a good deal. So as you can see, we're slowly making higher lows. Each low point, when it shoots up high to a new high and it falls back lower, it's not falling lower and going down this way. It's going higher and making a staircase up. And that's what we like to see. Slow, gradual increase. Now, we could run it up straight, and see something like this. That's very risky. You already know this coming back right down. Usually there's a saying in stocks, but you can kind of apply it to the markets. Really, you can't apply nothing to nothing right now. Fundamentals that don't stand. Technicals don't stand. Nothing stands right now. It's all about memes. Memes are the new currency right now. If y'all don't, trust me, y'all gonna find out real soon. But we can still trade this though on the chart though. Like, especially if you went into a smaller time frame, or even this 15 minutes is good. But you can see a lot of smart money stepping in here. You see these big areas of green, buy up. This is basically smart money. At the beginning of this, it's something called, I'll teach y'all more about later, called supply and demand zones. But we could easily see every time, we enter back, it don't even make it all the way back into these demand zones before. Well, right here it did. They let it drop all the way down right here, but you see once it entered this demand zone right here again. Now this might be a little bit, I try to keep it simple for y'all because a lot of people are beginner to intermediate level on the channel. But right here, this is a fire demand zone now, really, because this is where smart money or people with more money than us basically stepped in, bought it, pushed the price up. We know that since they bought in right here, that they won't pretty much let the price fall lower than that. Why? Because that's where they bought in at. They don't want to get it lower than that. So basically, they'll run it up, trick whoever don't know what they're doing. They'll bring it down, trick everybody, panic sell, shake all the weekends loose. And then what happens once we fall right back to that smart money zone? You see it got bought up again? So that's something y'all want to pay attention to. I'll teach y'all more about that later. But this chart is looking nice to me, y'all, to be honest. I'm waiting for a nice little pullback, a nice correction. I'm hoping that, remember, a lot of y'all complain when y'all see the charts down. Just look at that as a buying opportunity. That's a discount. That's just a chance to add to your position. Imagine going to your favorite store and you seeing something on sale for, whatever percentage off. We've been seeing 30 cryptos with 30, 40, even 50, 60% off lately. But you would buy it up if you walked to Best Buy, or you went to Best Buy and they had the TV or whatever it was you wanted, whatever store you wanted, and it was 70% off, you would buy it. So don't look at investments the opposite way. It's still a good deal. If it was a good deal at this price up here, it's still a good deal. It's a better deal at a lower price. Just buy more. It's called averaging down, or dollar cost averaging into your position. So yeah, you can see that's what everybody's doing right now. They loading up. People loading up right now. And I'm about to be one of those people. So I don't know what y'all gonna do, but let me keep getting into this because I don't want to miss my entry. So let's pull up on BSC scan. So you see we got a market cap of 6.2 million. When I looked at this, I believe it was at like only 4.5, somewhere around 4. It wasn't even at a $5 million market cap yet. So this is growing, y'all. This is growing. This is how the way you get rich is by getting in early. And I'm not saying this is financial advice. I'm just saying if you see something and it look like it's doing what it do, you do your research. Because what do you want to wait for? A lot of y'all messaging me when things are up. Like we were just up. We caught that come rocket. Also, join my group, Private Stock Market Game. I'm giving out free alerts. That's my way of giving back to y'all. We just caught. I called out that come rocket play and come Inu right after Elon Musk tweeted Canada, United States, Mexico. Now a lot of y'all, I tell y'all, I day trade Tesla options. That's what I do it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very familiar with Elon Musk and how his tweets can affect the market. A lot of people say it's manipulation, but I don't really think it's intentionally harmful. That's just if y'all know Elon, that's just what he do. Y'all just got to get used to it and just it ain't personal. He doesn't care about the short-term traders. Elon is more worried about the long-term. He's trying to move us to civilization type 1, so that's a long-term thinker. But the chart's looking good. We got a nice amount of holders. Did that BSC scan pull up? So 3,000 holders. I believe I jumped in at like 1,000 holders or somewhere around that when they sent me the email that they were at 1,000 holders. So around that time is when I started to check them out. But I got in somewhere around there. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be in this one, y'all. Hopefully the team rock with me. You know what I'm saying? If y'all rock with me, tap in. But you see people buying this, 8 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, and it's late right now where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? It's 4 a.m. in the morning. But I had to get to this. I want to put y'all up and get y'all on this early because they having an AMA today. So if y'all see this, 2 and 2 together, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to connect them dots for y'all and get y'all some money. We gonna get rich, y'all. I told y'all I gotta buy my mama a crib this year, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna get crazy. God willing, we can do that. So let's see. Let's go back. Let's check out this audit now. This was something when I was reading through the audit. Now that's when I stopped and I went right to not the audit, but the white paper. When I was reading through this white paper, that was when I stopped and I went right to go invest. So I'll go through this about us. Money can be used for good. Health and wealth go together. The Pink Panda team is a group of longtime crypto and decentralized finance DeFi builders and innovators who are looking to drive change in the industry through building a unique community-driven token that delivers a strong return to its holders, as well as a positive social impact. Pink Panda creates abundance. I love that word, abundance. That's what it's all about. You know what I'm saying? You got to believe it's so much out here. It's enough for everybody. You know what I'm saying? That don't have that mentality of just it's not enough or scarcity. Supercharging BSC. Wow, what a ride. The Binance Smart Chain has rocketed into prominence, bringing DeFi to a truly inspiring number of people. So for y'all that don't know, DeFi is just decentralized financing. Or decentralized finance. It's basically, in short, you know, to make it simple, is basically unbundling the services that the banks provide. So you know how you traditionally would go to a bank for certain financial services, loans, or to investments and just things like that. These new DeFi companies are basically unbundling those services and just shaking up the market. And it's getting crazy, y'all. It's about the DeFi is where it's at right now. Trust me, y'all. If y'all don't know. So a truly inspiring number of people, but its tooling is lacking, to say the least. Speaking of the DeFi industry, sophisticated dexes that support everything from limit orders to cross margin spot trading simply don't exist. So basically, limit orders are being able to set the price at a certain limit. You know, if it comes within this limit, then I want to buy it or sell it. So basically, there's stop orders. It's OCO orders. It's a lot of them. One triggers other orders, but we're not claiming to invent the wheel. We stand on the shoulders of giants, but we're a seasoned, hardened group of developers who are confident in our ability to bring the polished platforms pioneered on Ethereum and Solana to BSC. The demand is clearly there, and we're the first to market with a comprehensive solution. So for y'all know what Ethereum is. Solana is basically and simple system to basically put a blockchain on steroids, to make it move faster, to make it more adaptable, to make it communicate with other things, to scale it, basically, in short. So they're not the first to do this. They're saying, which is smart. Why reinvent the wheel? Why go back to, the Stone Age to do something that's already been working well? You know what I'm saying? Just build on top of that. So I like the way they say we stand on the shoulders of giants. They ain't hiding about that. You know what I'm saying? They letting you know exactly what it is. This is that. If I'm not mistaken, I believe the founder told me that they were built on the same the same type of contract SafeMoon was built on. So, that's the BSC. So it's audited already. That was something that, was like, okay, y'all got audited already. You know what I'm saying? That's nice. Most of these new cryptos, you'll be lucky. You'll be waiting for months to get an audit. So we already 8 days in, and I heard about this, for the last couple of days now, and it was already audited. So that's pretty dope. So also, they'll be having new releases for the app. iOS right now, it's only available for Apple, but very soon, I believe in the next week or so, it's coming for Android. So y'all can put that on your calendars. Also, so I asked him, what was one of the reasons, that, he came up with this. He told me, essentially his story. I'm sure y'all, can see that in other areas. He's done a few interviews, and also just a little background on the reason, the company decides to do what they're doing. And one of the reasons that I, liked was the fact that, with leverage, that there's no protection when it comes to leverage trading. And if y'all know, for example, with Robinhood, if y'all remember, what was that, like back in January around that time, whatever time that was, they were during the GameStop frenzy. It wasn't just Robinhood, but they basically froze trading on everybody. It was real jank. Their higher ups, for y'all that don't know, Citadel basically is a company that pays them, and I believe it was Melvin Capital was a company that was about to go bankrupt, and that company is a subsidiary of one company, and basically Citadel pays Robinhood a lot of money per year. I heard, I don't know if it's a rumor, but over like 40% of their money. So that would be a major conflict of interest if the fund that was about to go bankrupt got saved by Robinhood because of their top paying client, owns that company. That would just be very janky. But so I understood that, and that's what a lot of people had that complaint. If you look on Robinhood on the App Store, Robinhood is the only stock brokerage app that has completely lost 1 star. So that's a very big deal. So right now it's time for some disruption. But also this is a legit project, y'all. So they already had 3,000 holders, 5K of course coming soon. The next coin market cap listing is coming. It's pretty much well proof, or it deters them. Man, this project is fire, y'all. If y'all pretty much ask me, I'll be adding to my position on this one. I got a couple ideas, I like to talk to the team about with this one, but but let's finish getting through this one. It's not a long white paper. Hey, y'all going crazy, man. Shout out to Miguel Duran. Hey, if you see this video, appreciate you, bro. Jump in the comment section. But so let's see where we are. I be all over the place, y'all. But it just be a lot of information packed, in these videos. So let's see, why PinkPanda.finance? So PinkPanda is a utility token with a charitable element backed by a rock-solid platform that delivers value. We plan on creating a non-custodial, fully on-chain, mobile-first, decentralized exchange that supports up to 5x margin/leverage trading, all with a seamless centralized exchange field. That's going to be fire, y'all. That is going to be fire. I'm telling you, that's going to be fire. There's no cap to this. That's going to be fire. This is no cap. That's going to be fire. If y'all don't understand, to me, that sounds like a Robinhood for crypto. Of course, not saying they going to be Robinhood, but, they their own thing. But at the same time, we need something that's user-friendly, that removes this barrier to entry, with everybody having to, swap this for that. If they build their own exchange where, the majority of these tokens can be swapped out for their own token, and they make it easier for people to just come right in and just, basically it's seamless, like they say, it's going to take off, y'all. And we are very early, if you ask me. So, So the creation of accessible advanced trading tools would be revolutionary enough to capture a significant portion of the trading activity on Binance, or on the BSC. So the token's utility is to allow people. So I believe, honestly, like when I got through with this part right here, around this part, I went to go invest. I was gone. I ain't gonna lie. I told everybody, I said, hey, y'all, I'm in. I ain't even get to fully complete my due diligence. I ain't gonna lie. If anybody that jumped in on this play early, comment in the comment section if I'm lying. Hey, I tell y'all, there's no cap to this. But I got to here, I'm like, yeah, let me go grab some real quick. But so mobile app roadmap. Track the value of Pink Panda holdings with our new app. Be notified of upcoming project news, milestones, and community events, contests, in-app airdrops, and voting on which charity we donate to. Charting capabilities. Come on now. Charting capabilities. Y'all gonna go crazy like that? That's what y'all on? Huh? Y'all gonna let us chart Pink Panda? All right. All right. Track your entire BSC portfolio. Integrate with a prominent privacy-focused crypto. This is dope, y'all. This project is dope. Y'all going crazy, man. Shout out to everybody reaching out, man. We got a couple people. That's some business right there, though. Our team has extensive experience. Where we at? My bad, y'all. So, okay, we're going to be able to chart. That's going to be crazy. Because, Robinhood charts are terrible. That you can't even really chart with it. It's that line. You can switch it to candles if you kind of want, but it's really jank. It's not, to me, it's not meant to be, for, people that actually know how to trade, because, they don't really want you making too much money, if you ask me. But, or else they wouldn't do a lot of the things that they do. So, integrate track your entire BSC portfolio. Integrate with a prominent privacy-focused crypto payments tokens for integrate with a prominent privacy-focused crypto payments token for direct merchant transactions. That's gonna be crazy. So you're gonna basically be able to buy straight from wherever you want, with whatever's, I guess, whatever merchants are connected to their platform, you could just shop directly through. So our team has extensive experience and expertise with this token and its community. We are very excited about it. Trading platform built on top of pancakeswap with an order book, i.e. limit orders and advanced orders types such as trailing stop losses. They going crazy, y'all. They are going crazy. For y'all that don't know how important this is to a trader, you can set your trailing stop losses and limit orders on event. Man, they don't do this. They don't just give you this. A lot of brokerages, well, a lot of brokerages do, but it's not easy. It's not user friendly. You know what I'm saying? Robinhood really changed the game with how. That's what I gotta give Robinhood props for. They changed the game with no fees and just removing that barrier to entry, for trading stocks. So they got to get their credit on that. But for the advanced traders, it's not. I don't recommend using Robinhood. But for beginners, I definitely recommend everybody start on Robinhood. That's where I started at. So, but we might get we might be having a new something else new to start with. So, trading platforms built on top of pancakeswap with an order book, limit orders, trailing stop losses, leverage spot margin trading up to 5x. Okay, so we read that. So he's been in tech for over 20 years. So that's it. We got the breakdown. I like how they were very visual with this pie chart, letting us see, where everything is going. You can see the biggest portion was burnt. Next largest portion, well, between these two, pre-sale and liquidity. Then we got the dev wallet and the charity wallet. So everything pretty split up, nice and equal. The tech, we have no interest in reinventing the wheel. Our design is very much inspired by other on-chain, I believe we went into this, on-chain spot margin trading protocols, in particular Solana's Mango Market and Ethereum's Aave. We will bring these innovations to BSC. We will follow the approach of Mango Markets and require an initial collateral ratio of 120% and a maintenance collateral ratio of 110%. If the user's collateral ratio drops below 110%, the account will be liquidated. The value of the account will be calculated using a decentralized oracle. Anyone can run a liquidator with the opportunity to make a profit. So basically, they'll let you trade margin if you keep 120%. You'll have to have that initially. You have to maintain 110% of that balance in your overall portfolio. If you drop below this, then get expected to get a call. We call it a margin call. So that just basically means they'll be selling off your positions. That's what they mean by liquidating your position. So if you owe them some money and your position drops below, if you borrow some money and they say, okay, you can borrow this money, but you have to maintain X amount of dollars in your portfolio. If your portfolio drops below X amount of dollars, we can't allow you to be walking around with we can't let you hold our money like that, because obviously you ain't got it like that. So, if you're using leverage, you want to make sure you keep that maintenance on point. But really, if you don't know about leverage already, don't start off using leverage. Become familiar with trading first, because you're going to get wrecked trying to just jump in the game with leverage, because you might get lucky a couple times, then that gambler's fallacy kicks in, and then you feeling lucky. But let's see. Okay, so the lending pools work similar to the lending pools on Aave, except that users will earn interest on both their deposits as well as their positions. So you may be earning net interest on your margin position. That was fire. That's fire, y'all. So you can borrow money and earn interest on the borrowed money. That's crazy. That is crazy. So the interest rate is a function of the utilization ratio, total borrowed by all of users divided by the total deposits of all users. The interest rate will increase slowly, approaching a utilization rate of 70%, but will increase rapidly above that to encourage the market to deposit more funds. So basically, the interest rate will be low at first to borrow, but as the overall utilization rate becomes closer to 70%, you see they'll drastically spike it up, basically to encourage the market or the lenders to add some more collateral into the market to bring the utilization down, or to just increase the money inside the is this in the liquidity? So basically just to deposit some more funds into collateral to bring this utilization down, so that way they're not using a total of 70% anymore. So safety, we take our investors' confidence and trust very seriously. Our founder is doxxed, meaning he's putting his public reputation on the line. The LP funds in pancakeswap will be immediately locked, and I believe he said it was like for like 250 years or something like that, or basically this ain't no rug pull. You know what I'm saying? They not pulling no rugs over here. I strongly feel that, to be honest, and I would not tell y'all that if I didn't firmly believe it. I'd just be like, hey, this one, I'll be careful. And I definitely wouldn't have invested my money in it either. So join the Panda Park. It's safe and cozy here. Okay. So yeah, man, it's seeming pretty cozy so far. I ain't gonna lie. Jump in the comment section, y'all. You know what I'm saying? If y'all, I know notification squad, y'all in the building. Let them know them gains y'all caught off this one already. It was nice. So let's see where we at. So this the pancakeswap. It'll take you directly there. A lot of y'all should know about that. I'm gonna make a video on pancakeswap. There's one other thing I appreciate that they took the liberty to do was make a video on how to buy it already. So that was very simple when it came time to share it to my few people that wanted to check it out. Sent them that how to buy it video, and they all had some. So the founder roadmap. Okay, let's check out this wall of memes. So this was pretty dope. This is a very dope idea. Very dope idea. Now this is something that I wish we would see, that brand continuity continue to flow through here as well. So let's say you see how everything else we had that pink, that pink flowing through there. I would like to see that coat change to pink right here. This water hose change to pink right there. These laser eyes change to pink right there. You know what I'm saying? Just like how right here, you see how the font is changed and the heads are there. It's pink. I would start incorporating that into everything. I mean, these are probably community memes. I'm not sure who made these, but it could be community memes. But if the community, y'all listening, let's try to get this let's try to get the branding all on point then. Let's release what exact color this font is. Let's have all the brand colors understood, and when y'all make content, make it in alignment with the brand colors. Not saying everything has to be spot on, but just kind of make it flow nicely, because it will catch people's attention more, and people will take more notice to it and also value it more over the people who aren't doing it. Just something to keep note of, man. If we gonna do it, we might as well do it big. So okay, we got that. Now let's check out these social medias. Okay, so here's the LinkedIn page. So you can see, man, he's definitely known out here in these decentralized finance streets. Over 500 connections. Little about him. I'm not gonna go through all this. I mean, matter of fact, we is gonna go through all this, y'all. This what it's for. So, management consultant, IT leader with over 20 years experience. Because this is what I read. So I'm gonna just read y'all what I read. Working in a variety of industries, including P&C, health and disability insurance, wholesale distribution, pharmaceutical, and airlines. Specific experience includes working with Fortune 500 organizations, implementing integrated solutions, and with technology vendors looking to enter new markets or introduce new products into existing markets. Current work includes large-scale project and program management for software implementations, BI, MDM, security, and business process redesign. Specialties, senior project management. So, he specialized. He doing his thing. You see, y'all can come through here. Founder since 2021. A few senior management roles. Consulting. Generally, to be a consultant, you got to be very good at what you do to consult people. You know what I'm saying? People don't really necessarily want advice from people who aren't successful or don't have a solid track record. So as we see, a couple VP position here, top tier consulting, Levy Home Entertainment. Y'all can read through all this. I already read through this, y'all. The man is legit, man. The man is legit. Got his MBA. You know, he's a neighbor. Shout out to Illinois. You know, we neighbors. Wisconsin, right next door. I'm based out of Vegas now, though. But Green Bay Packers all day. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for this one. Let's check out the YouTube before we get up out of here. I guess we could check out the Twitter. I appreciate that they had a YouTube page. You know, tap in with me. You know, if y'all need some social media management, you know, some things like that, some direction on that, some consulting on the other side. I'm pretty sure they got a marketing squad on deck because, you know, their marketing is on point already. But I just really feel we could put some lighter fluid on this. And my money in, so, you know what I'm saying? Let's make it do what it do. But so the price is pulling back. Whoo, I gotta go, y'all. I gotta catch this dip. Hey, I gotta catch this dip, y'all. We out of here. Let me see. Follow me on Twitter. Remember, hey, I'm doing a $1,000 giveaway. A part of my $1,000 giveaway, I'm giving away $100 today. All you have to do is share this video, tag me on Twitter right here at DecemberDeMarco. Y'all see this Fortune 500 marketer, digital marketing agency owner, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, SEO, web design, social media marketing. So just tag me in this and also tag Pink Panda. Let's pull him up real quick. That's $100. That's $100. $100. All you got to do is tag. Like this video, share it on Twitter, tag myself as well as Pink Panda. So let's see. See, this is why we got to scroll all the way down to the bottom to get back to the Twitter page. That's why all that should be at the top half. But so here's their page right here at PinkPanda.DeFi. So at PinkPanda.DeFi, PinkPanda.DeFi. I'm not sure if it's some similar accounts, you know, or something like that. That's why I'm spelling it out like that for y'all. But we could check this out as well. So I should be doing an AMA with PinkPanda.DeFi tonight, promising token with locked liquidity, contract renounced, and some very interesting upcoming utility. Don't miss this. Hey, y'all bet y'all sleep or what? Let me know, man. So yeah, y'all can come through here and check this out. I'm liking that, you know, it's already picking up some community involvement. Oh, they won't smoke. They won't smoke. They said better than shibaswap. Hey, I right away when I started reading through the roadmap, I'm like, this sound like a shibaswap about to roll out. You know what I'm saying? Pretty similar. It's like, you know, they got their safemoon brand. They remind me of the, you know, safemoon got some very clean branding. I like that about safemoon. I'm a safe moon holder as well. I'm in the shib army, safemoon army, and Pink Panda army now. You know what I'm saying? So, but I like the you know, the branding is clean, but I also like it has that meme characteristic to it. Safemoon doesn't really have that meme characteristic to it to me. That's what I feel is missing with Safemoon. But this has a lot of potential. Y'all tap in with me, man. I got some fire strategies that nobody is using in the crypto space yet. I guarantee you. But you know, of course, you know, we gotta you know, you know, some consultation involved. But it's well worth it. So we just published our 7-day summary on our Medium, thanks to our amazing community. Hey, y'all, we about to turn this up, y'all, because y'all just got the DecemberDeMarco stimulus package. It's about to go crazy, man. So shout out to the whole Pink Panda army. I don't know what we calling ourselves yet. I'm in the Telegram. I just popped in for a second. Shout out to y'all that said y'all was going to share this video. Appreciate y'all. Let's see what else we got to get into. So the audit as well, we could take a quick look at that. So they were audited by Desert Finance. So here's the contract address for that. You can just pause this video and grab that. So, I mean, we don't really got to go through the whole audit. This video already kind of long. And so this does not meet the 3-year minimum we would like to see on new projects, but they got that resolved. Now expires in 2025, which exceeds the 3-year minimum. Y'all better stop playing with Pink Panda. Put some respect on their name real quick, man. You know what I'm saying? Because we coming. But website part 2 checklist, It's fire, man. It's fire. Just come check this out, man. They pass with flying colors. Everything got, so create plan to receive a donation origination letter from charities that are being donated to. So resolve proof of donation, update domain registration to 3+ years, resolve. This is all basic stuff, y'all. This is not anything serious. So, okay, broken contact link, 1-year domain. So project has common use case, reflect token with charity. Project has common use case, reflect token with charity. So I wonder why they don't got it resolved. If y'all know about this part, let me know if why this ain't checked right here. So potential signs of confidence. One team has been very responsive. Hey, that's what I said. Like I was talking to him, he wasn't ducking no questions. He answered, whatever I asked him. He was, and it was just, he was pretty smooth about it. Like, this is what it is. This is what we doing. One thing that also stuck out to me though, that I appreciated a lot. I even had to make a note on it. He said that the company lives and breathes by its honesty, being direct and transparent. So being honest, direct, and transparent. That's just, what more can you ask for? Just be honest, be direct. Don't be beating around the bush and misleading us, and be transparent so we know what's really going on, so we can make informed or wise decisions with our investments. That's all we ask for as investors. You know what I'm saying? And I'm down with the cause, man. Tap in with me, man. It's you don't want to miss it. So we gonna get up out of here for that. Thank y'all for watching. If y'all have watched this far, appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all give this a like. If you want to enter that giveaway for $100, all you have to do is share this on Twitter, tag me, and also tag PinkPanda.finance. We'll go over to them again one time just so y'all can see. And that's $100, man. That's $100 for sharing and tagging. Like, so Pink Panda DeFi, tag them, tag me, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. I'll be you'll hear me do an announcement, like probably my last video of the night tomorrow, or actually, well, it's today now because it's 4:30 in the morning. So my last video tonight, I'll probably make an announcement on that, or the first video probably the next following morning. So appreciate y'all for rocking with me. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe, man. We go in depth with this information. Remember, this is not just a video. This is a class. You know what I'm saying? So that's why they're a little bit longer. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and we are out.